You start pushing here up. And then, oh, you can't go to the. Start moving up, you block. Then guys, high knees, up, go. There we go. Up, jump, head, down. Go with the glutes, hamstring. Relax, change. Into the glutes, and we go aggressive mode. Let's go. Change. Go static. There we go, dynamic, move. Full range of motion. Change. If you want to. In, out. Yeah. Go. Full movement, guys. Go. What's up, boys?